Welcome to the world of gold trading. Provided, it is all free to use. If you are looking for some extra income, you are at the right place. You have two options to choose from. Daily Signal. If you are a Forex trader and looking for professional guidance. If you want Daily Signal with technical analysis. If you like to learn at live market. Look no further. Subscribe our channel, join our Telegram group, and trade with us. Follow end screen video at the right side of the screen. Copy trade. Now if you want an easy income, without disturbing your daily routine, simply register with our broker, Equity Jordan. Join Copy Trade program. Deposit as low as $100. Earn 75% of the profit at the end of each month. Just follow the end screen video, at the left side of the screen. If you need to know anything about trading, our channel offers full course, from beginner to professional level. You can even learn at the Telegram group. It is all free. Hope to see you soon, at any one of our platforms, specially designed to facilitate traders, from every aspect of life, and from every angle of trading. Take care.